Hey loves, so today I'm gonna be installing this wig I ordered from SHEIN like a couple months back. I did already install it. If you guys want to see that 60-second video, you guys can go ahead and check out my TikTok. My name will be in my bio below, or if you don't have TikTok and you want to watch it on Instagram, you can watch it on my hair page. So I did went ahead and I washed it last night. This is the state of it at the moment. And then just a few minutes ago, I went in with the hot comb and just, you know, flatten the edges that I had in the front, and all the like excessive hair, I just went ahead and scooped those back. I already went in with the Shine and Jam. I already went in with it, brushed the front of my hair back, put the stocking cap on, and obviously I glued it down with the Got To Be glue. In my previous video, I did mention that I was gonna install, do a video on me installing the other 4x4 closure wig, the longer one of it, but I didn't record it. I did, however, install it. It came off like 2 days later, and this was the spray that I was talking about. It was pretty good until it wasn't, but I am gonna try it again today. I don't know if maybe I didn't use it correctly or something, or I didn't let it dry properly, or maybe I made it dried too much. I don't know. So we're gonna try that again today. So like I said, I already have the wig cap on. It is dried right now. I think maybe I should come a little bit closer. Okay, I think this is a little bit better. Ignore my pimples, you guys. Just ignore them. Oh, I can feel it ripping on my ears. My hairs. Yeah, this shit is not gonna work. Oh, excuse my profanity. Yeah, so you guys can go ahead and check the shorter version out. I decided that this time, since I now have a channel, I don't have to really rush the whole process. I can just sit down and actually take my time with everything, and I don't have to start the camera and stop it every time. You guys can just see the whole process of me struggling and succeeding. I've installed this wig twice. The first time I installed it, the lace was still too light. So I definitely did make a mistake somewhere along the whole process, but that's okay. The day after, I ended up removing it, washing it over, and in the video, I went ahead and I reinstalled it. So technically this will be my third time installing this wig. Yeah, and also you guys, this is a 13x4 wig. It is not the regular 13x6. It's actually pretty good. Like, it's really freaking soft, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the front of it, as well as part it and then pluck parts of it, because I feel like some parts are a bit too not plucked. So I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be and the rat tail comb and just lay down here like that. I'm just gonna do this whole process to give you that bald look, I guess. We're gonna just tie it down for just a few. Oh, goodness. We're gonna go in with the makeup. Castaways. We are castaways. Is that what they said? We are castaways. I think that's what they said. All right. So I have the alcohol. I was gonna use water, but I guess I'll just use the alcohol. Doing like that, y'all know. rest it on. I have the spray. And this time I'm going to do it section by section since it is a frontal. I can feel it getting tacky already. I feel like I brought this too much down past where the wig is actually supposed to go. I think that one landed on my eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this one instead. I feel like this is much tighter. Let's take this off. Oh, that looks crazy. Damn, it's not even budging. Ciao. When I had bleached it the first time, it didn't get through to everything, which sucks. Let's tie this down one more time. Okay, so up close and personal. So apparently a lace frontal is different from a lace front. And I'm assuming this is probably a lace front. This one is the lace front because you have the 4 inches and then obviously the 13. But here, like here, it's only like an inch to where the lace is, and then you have the tracks. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know how some people make this thing look easy. It is not easy. This shit is not easy. Oops, I messed up. So when I first got this wig, it shed, but it didn't shed as much as it does now, or like after wearing it. I'm gonna go in with the mousse. All right, so we're back up close and personal. Let's struggle to do these edges, shall we? No, I would use the mousse, but I don't feel like doing that. Okay, because now I feel like maybe I should just... Okay, this is the best that I can do. And we're just going to leave it like that. I'm going to just calmly work on the other one. I feel like maybe I should make this a little bit smaller. Yo, I suck at edges. Literally suck at them. Is it just worth me rocking it like this? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with the hot comb and a little bit of the wax, because the part that I cut here, it's sticking up and I need for it to lay down. And the gel is getting really dry. Okay, and I'm gonna put back another one here, since that's what I did last time. So I'm gonna use the Q-tip again and just wipe away the excessive crusty stuff. I feel like the lace is lifting again. I mean, I guess so far it looks all right. It looks okay, you know. It's not the best, but yeah. All right. I guess I could stay with this. I feel like I should fix this. I hope I'm not going into trouble. All right, so this is the end of it. This is the end of the video. This is the outcome of how it looks. Yeah, the hair feels so amazing. Y'all should definitely get this. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Until next time, bye.